Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, I'm going to back up something that I put into the Discord. Just done it. We're going to go into market now, and if you haven't been here before, I am the big scruff trying to put trading in the real world, maybe badly. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm looking to get about 100 quid, and I'm going to trade into this zone here, this 23 market. There is method in the madness, and I'll explain it in just a second. But I'll show you what I mean by putting it in the Discord. If I drop this down, if you haven't seen this, this is kind of where the guys all hang out and we talk about what we're doing on the day, etc., etc. In this video here, that screen that you're seeing behind it is this trade that we're about to do. I've gone through the news announcements today, the strength and weakness, and how I'm going to trade this. So they know what I'm doing before I do it. And I think that's the fairest thing to do. Now, it also comes up as part of, if I just come down here somewhere, these like ideas of the week, this strength sheet. Now, they get to see this every morning as well, and they can use it how they choose. Now, there's a huge amount of US news today. There's a PMI this afternoon, and we're also running off the back of yesterday's train run. The US pairs are quite dangerous today, so I'm kind of leaving them alone because I can't really judge them very well. I have been in this morning, got in, took a little bit of money, and then closed positions down. And I've left a pending one high up to see if I can catch a drop, so we might see that as well. But time will tell on that one. So what I do when I'm unsure of a market is I stay away from it. It's that simple. If I don't understand it, I just don't trade it. So I'll come down the scale. The next strongest is the pound. Again, it's moved up 2 points from yesterday, so I can see the strength in it. And the JP is on the floor, but it's stayed on the floor. Okay. Now, when I look across here, again, it's losing ground, not as much as it used to. And the pound was strong as well. So you'd be thinking to yourself, right, I'll buy this. You can. But where do you buy it? Well, in this case, you'd be buying very low, so you'll have to wait for it. I don't particularly want to wait today. So my theory is I'm just going to sell it, because I think this move here, this colossal move, is going to retrace on itself. So I'm looking to enter in and around this level here, and then I'm going to use these as entry exits. Now, if I just mark these in, just so you can kind of see them when we look down into the chart. We'll be able to see. Now, take it to 50%. So I'll get rid of the fib. Don't need that no more. I've got a pending order here for the surge. And the idea is it comes down, smashes through, and then keeps going, but it'll stall in and around this area. I'll get out. And I'm quite happy with that. And I don't need to do a lot because of this. Over the last couple of days, as you can see, yesterday I had a real good day. Had to wait a long time to get in and get out with that one, but job was done. And then likewise here, it got tagged in, but I could see that it was a little bit shaky. So I decided to sort of bail on that one, because sometimes that's the best thing to do. If you don't fully understand it and you get an opportunity, just bail, dust yourself down a little bit, and then go back to market. Now with this market, if I push this right out here, we can see it's had a merry run up, but it's actually losing ground as opposed to gaining ground, and it's currently in a range. and it's also at top of said range. Now, if it's going to carry on with its buy, well, then the tops of these is where we're looking at. But over the period of time, it's actually been losing ground a little bit against this. So I don't think it's out of the ordinary to say it'll revisit down here somewhere. Okay? But stranger things happen at sea, and we only deal with what we see at the moment in time. Well, at this moment in time, again, I can see a range here. So it's a range that can be easily identified. Strong move. It's broke to the top side. It's failing somewhat, and it's pushing down. And you can see the push here. None of this has been retraced. So there's an opportunity for this to come down. And there's other ways you can look at this. You can go, well, okay, if that was the last move, see a definitive top, definitive bottom, how far was that potentially going to push before it would turn round? Well, I don't actually know this, but we'll put it to the test. Pull that down. Well, what do you know? That 127 is highlighted bang on a high time frame fib. Okay, so it's failed the turning point. So the chances are it is coming back down again. Because that's the thing. If it ain't breaking through, it's got to go the other way. That's just nature of the way the market is. A fib will work in 3 phases. You got the drive, you got the consolidation, and then you got the move either that way or the retracement. It's that simple. So it's the drive, consolidation, the move. Take it to 5 into the hour rather. So I can see what's going on. It's been a drive, push, sellers are coming back in. I don't think that's an unrealistic target. If I look at there, that'll get me about £100. I'm more than happy with that. Take it to 15 minutes to see what situation's going on. Again, you can see it a little bit more clearer. There's the drive, there's the push. The candles are getting smaller, but the red ones are getting stronger, stronger, stronger. Same principle. All I need to do is just follow that all the way up to there, eventually bounce, come round. And the beauty with this is if I move my order, the target stays the same. So all I need to do is just leave the order where it's at. Just put it on there between them 2 lines. And I'll just follow the candles up till eventually it's taken in. Comes down, hits the 20 pips. Scruff's a happy boy. Now, isn't that an easy way to trade, guys? No? Oh, okay. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll have me coffee then, because we all know Scruffy likes his coffee. And we'll see if it plays out. Catch you in a bit. Okay guys, we are out. I do apologise if you get any noise because I've got builders knocking the shit out of the house today. So there'll be rattles here, there and everywhere. So it might be a bit bitty where I stop and start. just while the noise is there. But anyway, not to worry. This is done. It's come down exactly into the level that I marked, which is here. So I'm quite happy. And has it paid me? It has. And we've had some other sort of 2-day swings running as well, and they've come through. And that's me done. I'm now finished for the week. Why? Because I've got enough banked to cover it. I'm more than happy with what I've done. Now that's the beauty of this game. Once you're paid, you quit. It's that simple. Do you quit when you paid?
I don't get paid.
You fucking lying bitch.
No, I don't.
Do you know something? It's the running joke. You know, most expensive employee and doesn't turn up. You're nice though, aren't you?
I still don't get paid though.
Of course you get paid.
No, I don't.
Well, how do you get the bills paid?
No, the bills get paid. I get shopping money, but I don't get paid.
Of course you get paid. You know, when you bloody hell, your little plastic friend, it seems to think that it gets paid every month as well. Talk about other plastic friends. Oh, there we go. There's the builders. So we'll keep this one pretty short. I really just wanted to do this one to back up what's going on. And it's always process. Now, the bigger element of this is to buy it. But obviously, there was a decent opportunity to sell, but sell enough to pay me, and then that's it for the day. So as you can hear, there's a lot of noise, so we'll wind this one up and we'll do it again later. But as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.